It's an after-work visit to Knott's Berry Farm. We're gonna go in and do summer nights, and we were gonna eat something from summer nights, but we ended up getting about $50 worth of chicken and desserts outside, so we're gonna bring it in the park and eat that, and then probably eat again at summer night. Brought our chicken in back here in the Gold Mine Trail. We got a bunch of desserts, got our drinks from the bakery inside. It's really quiet back here. Literally no one back. Whoops, I hit the thing. Literally no one back here. It's a perfect place to eat our chicken. So I lied. I forgot I actually just ordered chicken noodle soup. Nick got the chicken, 2-piece breast and a wing? Breast and a leg. Breast and a wing? I don't remember. With mac and cheese and mashed potatoes. If you've never had their mac and cheese and their mashed potatoes, they're delicious. There's the 2 pieces, comes with the boysenberry jam and some biscuits. If you have never had the chicken noodle soup from Chicken To Go, you do not know what you're missing. It is the best chicken noodle soup anywhere, hands down. Comment below if you've had it and you agree. Sometimes they have it at the Ghost Town Bakery. They had it on Saturday at the Ghost Town Bakery. And sometimes they'll have it as soup of the day at the grill, but they always have it outside at Chicken To Go and Mrs. Knott's.
This is my chicken noodle soup. Yum, oh, oh, yum, oh, yummy soup. Oh, oh, oh.
Nick, how's the chicken?
Chicken's delicious.
Hold up the breast. Where's the breast?
I'm not even starting.
Oh, the breast is
so
there we go. Pro tip, if you do the Summer Nights Cookie Witch, it is hand-scooped ice cream and all they had was vanilla. So went over to Chow House and they had soft serve, so you could do a swirl of vanilla and boysenberry on chocolate chip cookies. And we're sitting under these weird red haunt lights here. I think it's a foreshadowing of things to come.
Definitely haunt vibes.
Haunt vibe. And the lighting on the barn is weird tonight too, almost like the haunt lights are up. That is it here from Knott's Berry Farm. Quick trip after work, trying to find some light. There we go. This is our hiding spot during haunt. Come back here. There was a VIP maze back here once that the monsters took guests on. It was hilarious. They thought they were getting in line for something and they actually weren't. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell. You can follow us on social media, the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Breaking news. The wall is down to the new bathroom. Big update. Wall is down. Wall is down.